I'm like washing my leg here. Okay, welcome back in Some in Africa. It's always about Africa to the world. And this just the bouncing land, the bouncy land of Njoro, or maybe you say K9, not K9. I was like asking for this area like K9, but it's called K9. Where those people are actually so dry, but here where the water is, so I guess it's a great place to be, to chill. Let me just plan my leave. Yeah. Unaweza cheza hadi kesho. So today I'm here. I have my phone on. The next time I'll be coming with 2 to 3 guys, and let's make a vlog out of this. Now this one is going to TikTok and a little bit of YouTube. So keep on, subscribe on the channel. It's about time I take my leave. I feel so thirsty having to walk on top of this water. There is no soil here. Just like, I guess like the ground maybe submerged and left like grass on top holding like this. I don't know. I'll do research. I'll tell you more about it. To what extent can it go? Hujakanyaga matope? Bado hujakanyaga matope? Ndio mimi natafuta matope kwa jilisioni. Natafuta matope kwa jilisioni. Hapo hivi kapata nyoka? Wapi? Hapa. Hakuna? Uko sure? Umekuja hapa mara ngapi? Hii ni ya pili? Ya kwanza kuona? Maybe ya pili utaona. The place is quite bushy.